Hey, hi Bangalore. This is Suman from Dr.AV Receiver. So, as everyone knows, we are selling the board for an boat Avante 3100 and Zook bar, zebronic Zook bar only on exchange. So, in the Bangalore, the customer given this board, so already given for the local service center. So they have removed some ICs and they have did some tried in repairing, so they couldn't do that, so they have sent this, so you can see the board condition right now. So the back side, this is the heat sink for each ICs, and the IC, the each IC is capacity of 20 watt, 20 watt into 2. That first total is 6 output including the subwoofer 5.1, right? So this is an inductors, like this is what the condition of the board right now. So you can see the ICs and all they have removed, and they not did any professional work and all. Here they have changed the capacitor, some ICs and all here also. So after the repair of this board, I will update another video. Please be wait, and thank you for everyone. If anyone requires service or a board for zebronic Zook bar and a boat Avante 3100, please kindly contact us. Only limited numbers. Thank you everyone. We are located in Yalahanka, Chickkabomasandhra, and thank you.